was telling you about.
Uh-huh.
And I was thinking that she might make a really good nanny for Ronald.
Are you patient?
Yes.
Can you change a diaper?
Yeah.
Well, here is Ronald. He's 8 months old, and he is in desperate need of a nanny, and he's quite heavy.
You want me, don't you? There she is. Yeah. There she is. Where'd she go? Yeah. Where'd she go? Do this. Okay. Now.
So you start at the beginning and back. Now, if that cock falls forward, there's going to be fire right there. So at this point, even though there's nothing in the barrel, keep that muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Then you're going to pour the powder down the barrel.
This is what's in popular.
How long do we have till food's ready?
All I gotta do now is boil this vermicelli
Okay, because we're gonna start shooting and stuff for real
if we don't get food.
yeah.
You're gonna start shooting for
Oh
real.
no, I mean, the thing with Aaron took a little while, so they're just standing around a little antsy, so we're gonna start with target practicing.
Right.
This will
This will be done within half an hour.
Okay, alright, thank you.
constantly taking him outside, constantly. To get fresh air, sunshine. Valerie.
I'm gonna get in trouble again.
In fact, she told me that last night. She goes, well, you go to your, because I was like, I think you can come if you want. And I was like, I know better.
You wouldn't believe how much food we had. I think normally about 2.
Well, it looks like a soup kitchen in here.
And these guys bite, and real ladybugs don't bite.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Look over here.
I saw the whole.
Use some broth. Next. Oh, somebody's gonna go.
That was fast.
He's a pro.
I was puffing and puffing too. I was sucking air big time, buddy. But I wasn't gonna stop.
No.
It wasn't gonna be me that said I need to stop.
You guys got wild hogs up here too, don't you?
Yeah, they're in Missouri. Hogs, mountain lion, black bears.
What armadillos taste like?
I don't know.
I thought it went pretty smooth this time, considering all the moving parts.
Right.
There was a lot of stuff going on today. I was like, damn,
What they
that's
say
impressive. That's
in
pretty
modern.
good.
I told them. I think they got a lot of sugar.
Yeah.